So, if you've watched the previous video, you've seen that I've deleted a few things. Well, renamed, not really deleted, so there is still a backup. We've renamed Cinnamon to Cinnamon Backup, config to config backup, local backup, and when you reboot, it recreates a .config with things not from ArcoLinux, right? Not from you either. So it's a brand new clean slate kind of approach for anything, not only Cinnamon. This is a video for any desktop, right? Get rid of settings and wait till Linux creates new settings, right? New files, and they're in here. So let's make this nicer, right? So basically it's a rising video from now on, but we need to see the problem that we had, that the user has. I don't have. The problem that the user has is desktop. Click on this thing, click, and it was not responding. Okay, so let's see. Let's close this up. Computer, opening, home, opening, network. It's gonna find my ISO builder, so another computer in my network, and I can log into it, right? And trash. So everything opens up. My issue is there is no issue, and everything works just fine. And from now on, it's a rising video. So you go to settings and you say, let's get some backgrounds in. Sure, why not, right? And then settings, maybe you'll have a look, play backgrounds as a slideshow. Sure, would be nice. And so on and so on. 15 minutes, cool. Font selection, we take not sans regular, but Noto sans regular. So Noto sans regular, and then all the way up. A bit bigger for me, maybe even 12, right? Yes, I can read this. Probably too big for you guys, but good for me. Themes, Advaita, nah. Modern, Advaita, no. Dark, Advaita, no. Let's take Numix. Numix Circle Light. No, not light. Numix Circle. Sure. Well, we could take this one as well. So we have the beautiful folders from Horst 3180, right? This one, and icons from Numix. Yeah, that's one they have to make. Voila. So voila, it's just fun and games now. Just playing around with the thing here, but we've just recreated any configuration. Of course, anything else that's gone, these settings. If there is no file, we'll just add a new file again to the home directory, well, to the .config directory, and off you go. And most applications will do that. If you want to set something up and want to keep something, a personal setting basically, right, it's gonna go in the .config or sometimes in the .local, depending on the desktop. All right, I hope this helps you. You can always compare. That's the last thing maybe you can do. Say, okay, fine, this one and that one, and do melt. So right mouse control in XFCE, Thunar, we can melt things, we can compare things. And Velo is an interesting little thing. It's going to install the stuff I need, and melt is in there. Probably gonna be an accessories, not sure, programming in melt. That's what we're talking about, an application where you can say, all right, fine, so I fixed it, but I've lost a lot of settings. So I put this one here, and I put that one there, and I compare. And I say, okay, I want to get this back, I want that back. It's just a right mouse click, copy to the left, Thunar, copy to the left, etc., right? You can always set things back via the backup that you've made. All right, cheers.